Once upon a time, in a warehouse not so far away, chaos ruled.
Okay. Let's make an inventory count and make sure we have enough laptops and printers.
Got it, but which inventory?
Wait, are these in inventory A or B?
I don't know. Want to do a coin flip?
Well, no need, because now we have AssetIT. Assets like laptops and printers are tracked, sorted, and managed effortlessly, no matter where they are. No more guesswork, no more coin flips.
Aha! Laptops are in inventory A, and printers are in B.
Okay, let's go then.
Meanwhile,
I'd like to buy this laptop model, please.
Sure, one moment, please.
15 minutes later.
Can't find it. Where is it?
What takes him so long?
let's try that again with the help of AssetIT's check-in checkout system. With AssetIT, checking out items is as smooth as scanning and clicking. Quantities, details, and records instantly updated.
All done, ma'am. Please head this way to checkout.
Wow, that was fast.
5 hours later.
Oh no, my laptop stopped working. But hey, no worries. I'll just open a JSM ticket.
AssetIT panels in JSM make it easy for customers to link the exact items that need attention right into the service request. That same night,
Huh, a maintenance ticket? At this time? Oh well. Perfect. We know the exact item, model, and history. Let's schedule a pickup.
and the next day.
Well, at least they make it quick. 5 stars for great service.
From inventory to checkout to maintenance, AssetIT keeps assets moving smoothly and teams delivering smarter service every step of the way. So why not try it now and enhance your ITSM service?